How AI is transforming trucking. How AI is transforming trucking in 2026. What if I told you that in 2026, the biggest advantage in trucking isn't a newer truck, a better dispatcher, or even lower fuel prices? It's artificial intelligence. And while some carriers are still running their business with spreadsheets and phone calls, others are using AI to reduce empty miles, automate dispatching, predict maintenance issues before they happen, and increase profit per truck. The scary part? Most trucking companies still have no idea how fast this technology is changing the industry. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how AI is transforming trucking in 2026, where the biggest opportunities are, and how small carriers can compete with much larger fleets using the same technology. Let's get into it. The trucking industry has always been a business of margins. A few cents per mile can determine whether you're profitable or struggling. Fuel costs change, freight rates change, insurance costs rise, equipment breaks, drivers leave. But AI is introducing something the industry has never had before: the ability to make faster and better decisions using data. And unlike previous technology waves, this isn't only available to giant carriers with thousands of trucks. Today, even a one-truck owner-operator can access AI tools that were impossible just a few years ago. Let's look at the biggest areas where AI is making an impact right now. AI dispatching is changing operations. One of the biggest changes is happening inside dispatch operations. Traditional dispatching depends heavily on human experience. A dispatcher reviews available loads, negotiates rates, plans routes, and coordinates drivers. But AI can now analyze thousands of variables in seconds, things like current market rates, historical lane performance, fuel prices, driver availability, traffic patterns, weather conditions, deadhead miles. Instead of asking, "Which load should I take?" the software asks, "Which load will maximize profit after all costs are considered?" That's a huge difference. For example, a load paying $3,000 may look better than one paying $2,600, but after fuel, deadhead miles, tolls, and repositioning costs, the lower-paying load may actually generate more profit. AI identifies those opportunities instantly. The result: higher utilization and better revenue per truck. Section 2. Predictive maintenance saves thousands. Let's talk about maintenance. Most trucking companies operate in one of two modes. Either they fix problems after a breakdown, or they follow scheduled maintenance intervals. AI introduces a third option: predictive maintenance. Modern telematics systems collect enormous amounts of data from trucks. AI can analyze engine performance, oil conditions, brake wear, battery health, fuel system behavior, tire pressure trends. Instead of waiting for a component to fail, the system identifies warning signs weeks or even months in advance. Imagine avoiding a roadside breakdown, an expensive tow bill, missed deliveries. For a small fleet, preventing just one major breakdown can save thousands of dollars. That's real. Section 3. AI is reducing fuel costs. Fuel remains one of the largest expenses in trucking. For many fleets, it's the second biggest cost after labor. AI is helping reduce fuel consumption in several ways. First, route optimization. Instead of choosing the shortest route, AI identifies the most efficient route based on traffic patterns, elevation changes, weather, construction zones, historical travel times. Second, driver behavior analysis. AI can detect excessive idling, hard acceleration, aggressive braking, inefficient speed patterns. Section 4. Systems. Safety is another area experiencing rapid transformation. Modern AI-powered camera systems can detect risks in real time. Examples include lane departures, following too closely, driver distraction, fatigue indicators, sudden traffic changes. The goal isn't replacing drivers. The goal is helping drivers avoid costly mistakes. Safer operations often lead to lower insurance costs, fewer claims, better CSA scores, improved customer confidence. And as insurance premiums continue to rise, fleets that can demonstrate strong safety performance may gain a competitive advantage. Section 5. AI customer service and back-office automation. Most trucking companies don't lose money because trucks aren't moving. They lose money because administrative tasks consume too much time. Think about how much time is spent on emails, invoicing, rate confirmations, customer updates, document processing, data entry. AI can now automate many of these repetitive tasks. Imagine receiving a rate confirmation and having the system automatically read the document, extract the load information, update dispatch software, notify the driver, create billing records, all in minutes. The result: lower administrative costs and faster operations. For small companies, this can feel like hiring an additional office employee without adding payroll expense. If you're getting value from this video, hit the like button and subscribe. This channel is dedicated to helping trucking companies, owner-operators, dispatchers, and logistics entrepreneurs use technology, AI, and smart business strategies to increase profits. And make sure you check out our other videos on fleet management, dispatch systems, and trucking business growth. Now let's talk about the biggest opportunity of all. Section 6. AI is leveling the playing field. For decades, large carriers had advantages that smaller companies simply couldn't match. They had bigger technology budgets, larger data sets, dedicated analysts, enterprise software. That's changing. Cloud-based AI tools have dramatically lowered the barrier to entry. Today, a 5-truck fleet can access technology that once required millions of dollars in infrastructure. This means smaller operators can optimize routes, analyze profitability, automate workflows, improve safety, predict maintenance, without building a giant corporate operation. The gap between small and large carriers is shrinking, and the businesses that embrace technology early are likely to gain the biggest advantage. Section 7. What trucking businesses should do next. So what should a trucking business owner do today? Don't start by trying to implement 10 AI systems at once. Start simple. Ask yourself, where is my biggest inefficiency? Is it dispatching, fuel costs, maintenance, driver management, back office administration? Choose one area, implement one solution, measure results, then expand. The companies seeing the best outcomes from AI aren't necessarily the biggest. They're the ones willing to adapt faster than their competitors. Conclusion: here's the reality. AI is not replacing trucking. AI is improving trucking. The trucks still need drivers. Customers still need freight delivered. Relationships still matter. But the businesses that combine industry experience with intelligent technology will have a significant advantage moving forward. The future belongs to carriers that can move freight more efficiently, operate more profitably, and make better decisions faster. And AI is becoming one of the most powerful tools to make that happen. Now, I want to hear from you. Have you started using AI in your trucking business? If so, what tool has made the biggest difference? And if not, what's the first area you'd like to improve with AI? Drop your answer in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.